swear that what you're about to say is true?
I do.
So help you God.
So help me God.
Okay. Then repeat after me. I, Michael P. Bell,
Michael P. Bell,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States,
that I will support the Constitution of the United States,
the state of Ohio,
the state of Ohio,
and the charter of the city of Toledo, Ohio,
and the charter of the city of Toledo, Ohio,
and faithfully, honestly,
honestly,
and impartially discharge the duties of the office of mayor of the city of Toledo,
of the office of the mayor of the city of Toledo,
during my continuance in office
during my continuance in office
according to law,
according to law,
and to the best of my ability,
and to the best of my ability,
so help me God.
so help me God.
Michael, on behalf of the family, and family includes the team, the campaign team, and everybody that has supported him in his endeavors, we would just like to present to you this gift, a token of our appreciation. Thank you.
This is a certificate of mayor.